Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and in this channel we talk all things business, edtech, mindset, online teaching, teaching in general, or everything and anything that interests me for that matter. But today we are going to be talking about one website that has seriously changed my, I'm not gonna say like life, but let's say like my business. And so as you may know already, I am on Teachers Pay Teachers. I sell some resources there, and one of my goals for this year was to create more resources. Firstly, because I think that's a good way of creating passive income out of something that you create just once and then you resell it. But I also think that it's a great way for me to explore, let's say, my creativity and create stuff that I like and that I am going to end up using in during my lessons anyway. So why not resell it for other teachers to take advantage of it? Today I'm going to be showing you a website that I have been using for like the past 2 months, I believe. And it is basically a website that allows you to watermark your PDFs. So as you may know, if you want to add a watermark, you need to pay for Adobe Reader to allow you to add a watermark. But this website lets you do that for free. So I'm going to be showing you, first of all, what the website is, and second of all, why I am using this website, and why I think it is important to use it if you are on Teachers Pay Teachers, or if you're planning on basically selling something on the platform. So as you can see, this is one of the resources that I uploaded to the platform. Is a video-based worksheet, and it talks about like parenting styles and their effects on life. This is something that I have personally used during my lessons, and everything that I basically upload here is tested by me and my students. So yes. Now, as you can see, whenever you upload something on Teachers Pay Teachers, you are allowed to upload thumbnails. And these are the thumbnails. I have been spending some time creating some sort of coherence when it comes to thumbnails, but that's going to be a topic for a different video. What I want to show you today is this, the view preview that I absolutely hadn't. I knew that I could add that, but I never saw it in action. So I was like, why should I upload a preview of my product? Like, no one is going to buy it if I upload a preview. But yeah, then I learned how to do that because I saw someone else doing it, and I basically copied the way that they did it. Yeah, so that's basically it. So these are, the thumbnails with some of the activities. And then if you click a view preview, there are 2 different previews, let's say, that you can have. One of them is like a picture or a document, and the other one is a video. The one that I use, basically because I don't have a printer where I am now, is just the PDF. So I'm gonna click here, and as you can see, you will see that you have this big words on the document. Which, to be honest, if somebody wants to copy every single thing that you've done, like, they could do that, but it's going to take them like quite some time. And sometimes I think like it's better to just pay what you're asking instead of spending an hour or an hour and a half like transcribing. But yeah, anyways, this is the document, okay, that I added. And today I wanted to share how you can do that too. All right, so as you can see, this product that I created does not have the preview, and we're going to be doing this now. Now, I'm going to download this worksheet because I believe I don't have it on this computer. And as you can see, it's already there. So this is the product, okay? And then it starts right there. Now I am going to add this preview thing, not on the first page and on the last page, just the pages that are in the middle. And we're going to do so by going to this website. All right, so the website is called SodaPDF.com, and you can enter there. You can go there and then choose the add watermark to PDF, or if you want to, I will also leave a link in the description of this video. Here it says choose file. You can drop it or you can choose it. Because I have it here, I'm just gonna drop it. Let's wait until the file uploads. And once it does, you will be given the option to write what you want, like the watermark to say. I'm just gonna add preview. I'm going to choose the font. The one that I've been using is this one, red and 100. And then this is the thing. So if you click all, of course, the preview, like the big letters will appear on every single page. I do not want that. I just want them to appear on the second page, third page, up all until the 14th page. So I'm gonna do that. So 2 till 14. And then here you can click you can choose how the phrase should go. I have been choosing this one, and then behind page or above page. The one that I use is above page and opacity 100. Now I'm going to click add watermark, and you have to bear in mind that this will only allow you to add that phrase, and it's just like one phrase, not like 3 as the document that I showed you before. So we're going to download the file, and we're going to go back, and the file that we have just downloaded, we're going to upload it again. But this time we're going to choose a different option. So instead of the words going like in the middle, we're going to choose a different one. Let me show you how you can do that. So I am uploading the file that I have just downloaded. Let's wait till it uploads. And we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna add preview. I'm gonna add, let's change this, color red, the font 100, range, again, 2 till 14, rotation, and then here, this is what we're gonna change. Now, in the previous one, it's always like in the middle. Now I'm gonna choose this one. I'm gonna download the file, and I'm gonna start again, but the following one, I'm going to choose this option. I'm going to share with you right now how that all, like the result of all of that. All right, so I have already done it, and I'm going to show you what the file looks like now. So again, the first one I said, I was not going to have the watermark on this one. But as you can see, you have it here. So that's one, that's the second one, so all of them have it. What I usually do is it could be like preview or just one preview. It's that's all up to you, but this is what I do. Now, once we have this, we want to add that preview to our product, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So this was our product listing, and we're going to click here where it says edit listing, and it's going to direct us to, of course, the file, like the original file. And then here you can see product previews. And I'm going to add it here. You can select the file or you can drag and drop it. I'm going to drag and drop it because I have it here. Let's put it here. And as you can see, you also have the video preview, but I don't have any of them. I could. but I'm just too lazy to do that now. So we're gonna wait, and then we're going to save changes. Okay, that's done. And we're gonna click here, submit. That should be enough. If I refresh this here, you can see that it says view preview, and you will be able to see the file that I just showed you with the red letters, right? So that's it. Now, this is, of course, something that I'm not saying that you should do this with like every file or everything that you upload. To be honest, I am just starting to do it because I think that it is quite time consuming, but I think that it also allows me to give the customer something in terms of like, this is what you're getting, and if you like it, like you can also like you can get it, and you can pay for it. So at first I was really adamant in the sense of like, oh no, but what if they copy it? And I was like, okay, if they do, then all right. Like the prices of my products are not that high, to be honest, and I think that it's more convenient to just pay than to like transcribe every single thing that I did. But yeah, so those are the risks, and that's what I have been doing. And even though I haven't been able to do that with every product, my goal is to be able to do that, like to change the thumbnails and to add previews to all of the products, in the hopes that that will help me sell more, and that will help my future customers or my customers know what they are getting for the money that they are paying. Now, I will be leaving the link to that website in the description box. Let me know in the comments if you are planning on like basically selling things on Teacher Pay Teachers, if you are already selling things on Teachers Pay Teachers. And yeah, let's chat. And don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and yeah, welcome to the fam. I hope you stay. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.